You know what we have to realize in this day and age? We have to make a living to get by. But in order to make a decent living, you have to be healthy. If you're not healthy, you are in poor shape today. Because those doctor offices will break you up just by going in to get a check over. So check yourself over and feel, and if you're not feeling well, do a little exercise, get out, get a little sunshine, and get on something that'll perk you up and give you all you need, the energy and the enthusiasm, and be inspired within yourself, mind, body, and soul. You need fellowship? Join up with a team that'll help you out as you go along the way, pick you up when you get down, and be happy all the time. Be enthusiastic. Enthusiasm came about from the beginning of that body of yours. You were born with it. Enthusiasm in the word Greek means full of God. Realize you have God. Get on something to keep that body of yours healthy. And remember, you must exercise. Walk, talk, and be happy and proud to be able to work and make an income for your family, and be happy and stay healthy by merely getting involved. It is no time today to sit around, become depressed. It costs you money. You might end up having to be cared for as a young person because you didn't take care of your body. And believe me, I know a little about that, as you see in the foreground there. Yep, that's me. Young, frisky as ever with that cowboy hat, set of boots that walk, but they have to be walked in and know where they're going. So why don't you get a going and give me a ring, or pull up my, let's try YouTube. Get to know me a little bit. It's under Pops, P-O-P-S, 1933. And believe me, God bless America. I love you veterans. Let's go to work, get a phone in your hand, and get online with Donnie G. And I'll get you making a living, feeling good, and taking care of your family. First you. Amen to that? Give me a call, give me a text, give me an email. It's all there. Follow me, and I'll help you get started again on a brand new way in being happy and enthusiastic. Amen to that. Give me a ring. God bless you all. And God bless America.